I hit a big ass ditch. You have the pressure thing? Y'all see the rain? Yep. Talk to me, Goose. It's a cloudy day here in Knoxville. We're headed out. It's already 9 a.m. We're kind of holding out, seeing if this big cloud, storm cloud, passed us, but I'm gonna go right into it. We're gonna try something. Hopefully, it's the right decision. We're gonna go east instead and see if we can go through to I-26 to I-95 and go on the east side down to avoid that whole Atlanta thing and the construction on the turnpike and all that. So we'll see. So we're headed east on I-40, and it's, you know, we're gonna go through the mountains here. It's a beautiful view, very scenic road. I was showing Brandon, we just passed an exit that was where I went to school, and I played a little football there, Carson Newman University in Jefferson City, and I was just showing him the exit. We just passed by it, really close, beautiful little town, quiet. Anyhow, we're going to push through this rain and hopefully come out on the other side a little drier. We'll see. Like the rain has gone past us, I hope, but I'm looking forward to some sun. It's kind of cool, and my jacket is a little, it's not waterproof, but it's water resistant, so I guess I'm just using fancy words to say I'm not as wet on the top as I am on the bottom, but yeah, I'm looking forward to some sun just to dry up and warm up. We're still on I-40 for another 38 miles or so, and then we get on I-26. It's getting clearer as we descend off the mountain, so let's see, man. See if we get some sun pretty soon here. It will be sunny and hot once we get to probably Georgia. Got some construction up ahead and possible slow traffic, but doesn't seem like. Well, we'll see when we get there. Doesn't seem like it's slower than the speed limit, though. For now, the sun is out. Got a little construction in this area, so traffic's a bit slow. It's just one lane. What's that?
I say nothing sounds as good as a bike tuned ride.
I had a puddle of water.
Stopped real quick to get a bite to eat at this Quick Trip off of I-26 in South Carolina. Gassed up, got some water, went to the bathroom. Ready to go for another 100 or so miles, or 150 miles. Anyway, see you on the road. We're making decent time, I guess. We've only stopped twice. Had a bit of traffic, but nothing like Atlanta and Macon, Georgia. I thought I felt it get soft after I hit that bump. Just crossed into Georgia off of I-95. Got about 6.5 hours to go. 483 miles. Hey, we're passing by Pooler, Georgia, home of Robert Simmons. Be the boss of your motorcycle. Let me tell you something, guys. I-95 on South Carolina and Georgia are in atrocious shape. There's ditches everywhere, dangerous for a motorcycle. I just hit one back there and I thought I maybe did some damage to my tire or suspension, but thank God it was fine. But let me tell you, this is unacceptable. I mean, it is really bad. And these bridges, the roads to the bridges are so uneven. Huge bumps. All right, stop number 3. Let's go get some gas. off we go again. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. It's 6 hours left. South Brunswick River in Georgia. Alright, man, we're about ready to cross the Florida state line off of 95, and we're in Florida.
Yay!
We're back, baby. I think we made it to St. Augustine, and we're gonna go to Buc-ee's real quick. Buc-ee's, little buck tooth dude.
At the light, turn right on Main Station. At the next stop sign, turn right.
Get some gas and then some food. See you in a little bit. Oh, we're at the Daytona Beach city limits. We did pass Teddy Morse's a while ago at Ormond Beach. Our ETA right now is 12:21. However, we might have to stop either one or two more times. So we'll get home about 1 o'clock. So it's about 9:06 p.m. There's really nothing more I can show you inside of Florida. Inside of we're by New Smyrna Beach, and any of my viewers that are watching, I'm sure are bike riders and they've been through here. So anyhow, I'm going to kind of leave you guys here. And I hope you enjoyed the video, man. This was a special one and a tough ride. If you did enjoy it, click that thumbs up and like it, share it, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel. I could use the subscribers. We're trying to get to 1K as quickly as possible. Anywho, as always, guys, love you all to death. Stay safe on the road. See y'all real soon. Peace.